We have a 2008 Honda Odyssey, and we are trying to troubleshoot the TPMS light that's on the dash. So if you notice, once we turn on the vehicle, you'll see that the TPMS light on the upper right stays on. We have checked the PSI in each one of the tires, and they are correct. According to the label, it should be 35 PSI in each of the tires. So we're gonna try to troubleshoot, see what's going on. So first thing we would like to check to see is if all of the TPMS sensors are working properly. And in order to check that, we will use this Autel tool, TS408. Select the correct vehicle, and then we would like to scan all of the sensors, starting with the front left. So let's try to scan that one, see what it comes back with. Now it could take up to 30 seconds to a minute on each one of the sensors. So this could be the one that has the problem. So let's see what the tool says. Alright, so it's not able to read that sensor. Let's continue to the next one, which is gonna be the front right. And let's try this sensor, see what we get with this one. Oh, it responded right away. 35.5. And let's go to the rear right. Let's try this one. Oh, that was quick. 34.4. And let's go to the last one. See what we have for the last one. Oh, that was really quick. Okay, so anyway, 36.7. So we know that front left sensor is not responding, so we'll have to see what's going on. First thing, we need to check if the TPMS sensor has been damaged. So let's take a look at that. There's no sign of damage. So most likely the cause for this sensor not responding is battery. So we are going to replace this TPMS sensor with, we have a replacement sensor right here. So we will be installing this sensor. 11mm socket. Okay, we will install the new TPMS sensor. So the socket it needs again is, yeah, I got number 12. Let's try that. Okay, that fits. Okay, so that has been installed. So we have the wheel placed back on there, and we're gonna initiate the learning process. For the learning process, we will be using this scanner from Launch X431. We just ran the health report, and as you can see, it is reporting TPMS transmission failure. So we are going to go into the TPMS module. So here we will go into special function, and from there, sensor ID learning. Just gonna say okay. Alright, so we're gonna hit OK on this, and the timer will start. I think it gives us 5 minutes to alright, so this we're gonna try to scan the first one. It comes right back, and here's the ID that it registered. Alright, let's move on. The problem we were having when trying to register the TPMS sensors was that it kept registering the same sensor multiple times, but somehow it did manage to scan all 4 sensors automatically. I did not have to go around all 4 wheels and initiate the learning process. As you can see, when we read the data stream, it tells us the IDs for all 4 TPMS sensors, and it tells us the pressure in the tire for each one of the tires. So I think we're good to go. Let's check the dash. Alright, let's see if that fixed the TPMS light. Oh yeah, there we go. The TPMS light went away. So overall, we had to replace the TPMS sensor and initiate the learning process, and that fixed the issue.